my channel. It's your girl CC, and today is another episode of Cooking with Me in the RV. Today we are making peach cobblers in a jar with a crumble top. I got a new attachment for the Instant Pot, so we're gonna see how that works, and hopefully it comes out amazing. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so some people make their own pie crust, but we are camping and I don't have time for that, and I'm in my small camper because one day soon, hopefully, we'll have a bigger camper with a bigger kitchen and a bigger oven. But with this camper has no oven, but we can still get some things accomplished. So I got Pillsbury pie crust. I have 8-ounce mason jars, and we're about to cut the dough and get started. Okay, I have this top from my pancake maker for my Blackstone, but use what you got to make it happen. For our filling, we're gonna need a can of peaches and I don't really measure, but just a splash of vanilla, sprinkle some cinnamon, some nutmeg, a half a cup of sugar,
a third cup of brown sugar.
If you don't like yours sweet, you can change yours how you want to change it. I'm just gonna do a half a stick of butter. Hey you guys, now that it's on the stove, I'm gonna add a tiny amount of cornstarch just to make sure that it thickens. Stir it up. Once the butter melts and it comes to a boil, our mixture will be done. Okay, I saw the last chunk of little butter melt, so we are going to wait for this to boil. So now that it's come to a boil, we are ready to put it in our jars. My 1 pack of pie crust was able to do 6 jars. Let's see how much filling we have for these jars. It smells so good, you guys. I was able to get 5 jars done with the 1 can, so I'll make another batch off camera, and whatever we have left over, we're having French toast tomorrow for breakfast, so we'll just throw it on as a topping. For the peach cobbler topping, we're gonna need 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of softened butter, 2/3 cup of sugar, a little bit of brown sugar just for color, a dash of cinnamon, and then you just mix it up. And break up my butter along the sides because that's what's going to begin to make your crumble. So your traditional recipe is you're just gonna put pie crust on top instead of the crumble. But my family likes a crumble top, so that's why I'm doing a crumble top. But you could most certainly just put the same pie crust you put in the bottom, you could put in the top. And actually I have a little piece of dough left, so I'll do one like that. If you're like my husband, you like both toppings, you like the regular pie crust with a crumble on top. So whatever you want to do it.
Just sprinkle it on top and you're done.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna put them in the air fryer at 300 for 25 minutes and then check them. Like I said, this is a new air fryer. I've never used it before, so we're gonna test it out and see how it works. I'll come back and let you guys know. If you have your own peach cobbler recipe, or if you're going to try my recipe or you try it, please let me know how it comes out for you down below in the comments. And what else do you guys cook at a campground, or what do you want to learn how to cook at a campground? And who knows, maybe I'll try your recipe. Okay, so I'm going to put these on bake. Put the lid on. We're gonna do bake at 275 for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's been baked for 40 minutes at 275. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good. It's a little messy, but it smells amazing. Okay, guys, so I have finished. I think we found the magic spot for me on the Instant Pot is 275 on bake for 40 minutes. I was scared to try it at 300, 350 on bake, but we'll play around with it and see what else we can come up with. One with crumble, one without crumble, both peach cobblers. Okay, you guys, so I made all 8 of the peach cobblers. They look to be amazing, but we have not tasted ours yet. However, we are a family of 5, so that means that there would be 3 left over. So we have decided to share with some newfound friends. So we'll take you guys along with us to drop these off. Let me know if you know these people, okay?
Hello!
Hi! How are you? Good, as promised.
The
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
No
Thank you.
problem. Hey, as promised.
Can we take a pic?
Of course.
For sure. Here's my pies. Okay, you guys, well, we are done. We've shared with friends. We just ate dinner, and now it's time for the family to enjoy their dessert. Is it, Grayson?
Say it's yummy.
Is it yummy to your tummy? All right, you guys, so there you have it. Peach cobbler in a jar, cooking while in the RV. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give it a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below in the comment box, and click the bell so you get notified for the next video that I make. Until next time.